If you're consuming content on Amazon Prime Video and then you've been wondering on how you can possibly go ahead and then increase the video brightness, well, it's relatively quite simple for us to do so. But before we get started, of course, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you'd like to increase your brightness in Amazon Prime Video, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now, when you open the Prime Video app on your mobile device or wherever you're trying to watch it from, and then you want to watch something, so whether it is a trailer or the whole movie, you're not satisfied with the brightness quite yet. Now, the brightness on Prime Video actually just follows the brightness on your overall display or your device, what you're using, right? So here you can see, if I'm playing the trailer here, it is actually not following the brightness of its own. But if I just go ahead and then increase the brightness of my device, the brightness of that particular movie will also be simultaneously increased. So that's just simply how it works. Unlike Netflix, which has a separate brightness toggle within a certain platform, Prime Video does not have it, so you have to do it manually from your brightness toggle. So I hope that this video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.